Yeah. Sometimes you have to pause and breathe, you see me? Too much filter, too much lie. A time for log out and live. Yeah. Log out for a minute, take time for your mind. Social media fake, real life in a decline. Everybody rich online, but broke in a real time. Don't lose your soul for likes and shine. Say log out for a minute, go link with your fam. Real vibes, real friends, not deal with the scam. Girl stress over, followers man and live for the gram. But when life it hard, no one give a damn. Me say girl cry over likes, but smile fake. Man a post Benz and can't buy cake. Me not judge, me just a relate. We all want win, but this not the game. Every day I scroll, whole day gone. Mindful and nice, your spirit feel tan. You have to put down my phone, take a walk in a dan. Clear my head before myself get drowned. Me not fi stop dream, no stop post. But remember say peace, more than toast. Your mental health can't get roast. For strangers when I even know your ghost. Log out for a minute, take time for your mind. Social media fake, real life in a decline. Everybody rich online, but broke in a real time. Don't lose your soul for likes and shine. Say log out for a minute, go link with your fam. Real vibes, real friends, not deal with the scam. Y'all stress over followers, man live for the gram. But when life is hard, no one give a damn. Me say you start for your clout just for trend. Show off gun and no even own them. Me say hustle in silence, elevate slow. Feel your real life, make your soul glow. Me post me wins, but me post me last too. Me no live fake, me live real true. Love yourself, remember who you be. Real light shine without IG. Sometimes me take a break, no post, no feed, just prayer and breeze. That I me need. Me no care who watch or who like me deed. Me just a try live, plant good seed. Log out for a minute, take time for your mind. Balance your soul, no make them blind. Take care of your life, cause it's hard to rewind. Love yourself deep, let your light remind. Mr. Log out for a minute, go touch the road. Make real memories, carry less load. Life sweet when you live in code. We born for greatness, you don't know. So if you see me offline, me still a shine, still grind, still align. Me no hype, me just fine. Me no sell out my life for the timeline.